Okay. Hi, everyone. Happy Friday. It's Fun Fact Friday. Yay. I hope we all survived the week. Today, we're going to share fun facts about Roman chamomile and everybody's favorite, rose. So, Chris, please share with us some fun facts about rose.
I got really lucky and I got a bottle of rose oil last year in a drawing, and that was probably one of the greatest gifts I have ever received. It's an amazing, amazing oil. Our doTERRA's rose oil comes from Bulgaria, and it's a pure Bulgarian damask rose that they use. It takes, my fun fact is it takes 10,000 blossoms per 5 milliliter bottle. So that little bottle has 10,000 blossoms in it. And the blossoms are so delicate that they have to be distilled the same day they're picked, or harvested. So that to me was like, holy smokes, that's pretty intense. When they're ready, they're ready. Rose oil was actually perfected. The distillation of rose oil was perfected by the Persians back in the Middle Ages. It was famous for improving skin imperfections. My goodness, throughout Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. Damask rose is one of the most desirable fragrances because it's scarce. The fragrance is amazing, and it has a remarkable emotional benefits. The aroma of the damask rose is an indulgent, relaxing, and rejuvenating fragrance. Let's see. Sorry, read my notes here. For use it's used topically. I use it just a drop on my wrist and rub them together. Inhale, just absolutely amazing, amazing scent. And I used it today. I was getting a little bit wound up, and it just calmed me right down. A little drop, rub it over your heart, does the same thing. It just can't explain it. You have to try it. It's really a nice, comforting, just slow down and be cool feeling. It also works with helichrysum, lemongrass, melaleuca, aromatouch, and claricalm, and that is rose oil.
Ooh, I love it. I'm still jealous that you have it, but it's so well deserved. You totally deserve to have that oil in the raffle. So I'm going to share with you fun facts about Roman chamomile. It's 5 milliliter bottle. Fun fact, it grows very close to the ground, so all these shorties out there can harvest it. It has gray-green leaves, and the flowers look like daisies, which I didn't know, and it smells like an apple. And when I read that, I smelled it, and I'm like, oh yeah, it does smell like apple. Another fun fact is ancient Romans used the oil for courage during the war. So we should all be using that right now. It's a war out there. It has calming effects on the skin, mind, and body. So different ways you can use it. You can mix it in your moisturizers, your shampoo, and you can even put it in your drinks. I'm actually going to try that this weekend because I completely forgot. You can add it in your drinks. It's a calming oil, provides feelings of relaxation, both physical and mental. You can use topically to relieve stress, before you do meditation, and before you go to bed.
And I use it. Roman chamomile is one of my favorites too because I make my own cream and I put the Roman chamomile in it, and it stops my restless legs at night. So that's a huge saving one for me, and I love the smell.
Yeah, it does smell amazing. All right, well, that's our fun facts for Friday. We'll see you next week for more fun facts. Take care, everybody.
Bye, everybody.